Yo guys, what's up? Roby here from the Divi Engine team with some super exciting news for the month of November. You're already familiar with our weekly Divi tutorials that aim to make you guys Divi ninjas and position you to generate the most revenue for your Divi agencies. Well, for the weeks leading up to Black Friday, we're going to be releasing a 4-part tutorial series that will cover building a WooCommerce store with Divi and many of the newer Divi features such as conditional display logic. We're going to be drawing inspiration from a popular online apparel retailer and then show you how to copy that design piece by piece by building the site from scratch. Whether you're a Divi veteran or just getting started with Divi, this free tutorial series will be a great way to learn or refresh some of your Divi skills. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today to make sure that you don't miss any of the installments that start next week. So I look forward to seeing all of you guys there.